Alright, so this is a Tenda model TEF1105P-4-63W. Now what that essentially means is that this has a 58 watt PoE budget and it's a 4-port PoE switch. So this is not a gigabit switch, this is a 10100, but this is the front of the box, and let's open this up and show you all the paperwork. Here is the switch. So default or extended. Extended is for longer range. It can go up to 250 meters. What's 250 meters in feet?
250 meters is equal to 820 feet, 2.52 inches.
That's 820 feet. Nice. So we'll just need default for what we're using this for. There's your power, and then here's your 4 ports. Now you see here, this has PoE in the lines. So these 4 ports here are the PoE ports. This is not a PoE port. This would just be what you'd use to get the internet connection to here. So from your main switch, you'd go into this port, and then you could plug in up to 4 devices to the switch. Just to show, that's different than I had pictured. That's the power brick with a real power cable. Well, that's it. That's the Tenda TEF1105P-4-63W 5-port PoE switch with 4 PoEs.